Sometimes I thought I won't play for Wales again, but this manager's been brilliant since he come in. He rang me when he first got the job and he's kept in contact ever since, so it's been brilliant now.
What have those conversations been like then, and how much did it mean to you that as soon as he was in, you were having those conversations, he was giving the impression that you were very much a part of the plan going forward? How much did that mean to you?
Yeah, it meant a lot, especially with being out for 4 years, I think it is now. So yeah, it was just I don't know how to describe it, but it was all emotions come back about how much I wanted to play for Wales, to be part of the manager's new ideas, the way he wants to play, and yeah, the conversations were pretty easy, to be fair. It was just like how he sees me playing in the team. I mean, there's been difficulties with it because I've had injuries before camps and I've not been quite right, and they're the things that you have to come over, but I'm here now. It feels like I haven't been gone long. Everyone's really welcoming, and like I say, a lot of the squad was here when I was last here. Obviously there's some new faces, I'm a few years older, so yeah, it's been good to be back.